Hello everyone, welcome back to University Study Guide YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about the Madurai Kamaraj University PhD and MPhil admission notification. So in this video we are going to discuss all the aspects of this PhD admission and MPhil admission notification. So before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our UTL and UG and PG admissions in different reputed universities in India and abroad. So here are some of the past videos you can check. So before that, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notifications regarding our future videos in different subjects. So let us see what is the official notification. So the official website of this, there you can check some important news are flashing. So in this important news we are going to check is the number 2 notification, that is online registration for the common entrance test for the PhD and MPhil program for the July session 2021. Once you click on this, you will come to this page. So this is the common entrance test admission process for PhD full-time and part-time and MPhil session for the July session 2021. So as you can see, the details are here. So we will check every details of this. So let us see the prospectus. In the right hand side corner, there is a prospectus of this admission is given. So let us go to the prospectus. So here is the prospectus. So let us see what are the details available in this prospectus. So as you can see, the applications are invited for the both full-time and part-time as well as the MPhil regular program in the common entrance test at the Madurai Kamaraj University. So the total number of various disciplines seats in the various disciplines for the year 2020 and 2021. So there will be the PhD program. Under the PhD program 49 subjects are available, and under the MPhil program 43 subjects are available. We will check this in this video only, so do not worry about that. So let us see the subjects. So here you can check the MPhil subjects, but we will only concentrate on the PhD subjects. So as you can see, there are 49 subjects as I have told you. So you can check all the subjects here, like biotechnology, biomedical science, biochemistry, botany, zoology, business administration, and regarding the engineering subjects, the computer science is also available, and other subjects like English, education, economics, so food and nutrition. So the subjects details you can check this, or you can pause the video and check the subjects. So what are the eligibility for the PhD program along with the MPhil program? So candidates willing to register for the PhD program should have a bachelor degree as well as a master's degree, that is 10 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 pattern. Alright, so minimum of 55% mark is required, and 5% relaxation will be for the reserve category. So here you can check the 55% mark is required. So the junior and senior research fellows working in different research projects funded by various external agencies like national and state level organizations are excluded by the research fellows. Recognized research institutes are those working under the stipendiary, non-stipendiary research scholars are also eligible for the PhD. Alright, so what are the subjects there? So now, alright, by 2 parts, each test of 1 hour, that is each part will be 1 hour. In the first part includes research aptitude, English, logic, reasoning. In the second part there will be subjects concerned to the subjects under which the PhD degree you want to pursue. Alright, the centers will be at Chennai, Coimbatore and different important cities of India. You can check. So the selection will be done through the performance in the exam as well as during the personal round interview. Alright, so there will be some exemptions. So exemptions will be for appearing the entrance exam only. So candidates with the JRF and different research fellowships, they will be not going through this entrance test. They can directly come for the interview. So you can check the other details here. Alright, so the PhD program full time will be for 3 years, and the part time details you can check. Alright, so some general guidelines are given. So there will be some registration fees for this entrance examination. For the PhD it is 2000, and for the SCST it is 1000, and for the MPhil if you are applying it is 1500 and 750 rupees for the reserve categories. So we'll check the important dates and the syllabus. So let us go back to the top. Let us see what are the other details are available. So here you can check the registration amount. So let us go back to the home. So let us see the important information. So here are the important dates. Opening up the online registration portal will be on 15th July, and last date of submission will be on 13th August. Alright, and the duration of the entrance test will be 2 hours. We have already discussed on that, and the date and time of the entrance test will be notified. It is not yet decided what is the when will be the date and time. So once it will be decided, you will be notified. I think they will notify in the website itself. Alright, so once you click on online apply, so students are required to pay the fee online through the SBI payment link. You can click on this link and you can apply. So once you click on this, you need to have a registration form. Let us click on that as well. So there will be a general registration form where you need to fill all the details of your online form. So there you can check the PhD and MPhil program, and the subjects you can choose name, father's name, date of birth. So it is a general information you need to provide. Alright, and your all the qualification details you need to fill along with the percentage marks. You need to have an identity proof number, and payment details. So if you have already done the payment in this SBI payment link only, you need to put the reference number. Okay, and your signature and photo is also you need to put. So this is the form I have already shown to you. Alright, let us see what is the pattern of this examination. So this is the syllabus, you can check, and here it is the previous year question model is also given. You can check the details. Generally the model questions are not given by the university, but here the university has done a great thing that they have given the past questions so that you can prepare it well. So I hope you like this video and you got the information. And if you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the future videos notification.